Hi guys, what I wanted to show is how it looks when you get a notification from the Blink XT from your security camera on the Android Wear 2.0. So you can go into the notification thing. Usually it's a little bit difficult on the camera. Okay, I entered the code and here I have one of my notifications is this Blink motion clip. It says, it gives the number, provides number of the camera and the time. So I have to go back again. So too much talking, not enough clicking. So when I click now on this notification, it gets into detail and I can move the thing up and it will show what at least some part of the video. I don't know if it's the first thing or the last thing. Here obviously it didn't record much. Maybe I will find something else. So I've checked another thing from 9 o'clock and the same thing. It doesn't show a lot. There's nothing. When you click on that, looks like you can't do more. You can't play the video. No, Apple down. Yeah, that's not it. So yeah, there's not more about that. That's pretty much it. You can click on that. You get a notification right away. You can click on that and you will see about what it is. So yesterday I got the same thing. It was during the night. I was inside and I got a picture where there was an animal on the picture and I went outside and I still saw the animal disappearing. So I got the notification really fast and that's really good. So it's a matter of seconds. It's not a matter of minutes. It's a matter of seconds. You get notification right away as long as the settings are correct. That's a good thing. So I haven't set up anything special. It was just made by default after installing the Blink app. So it looks like, yeah, I don't know if it installed a part on the watch or there's just notification, but anyway, it's really good. It's a cool thing. You get notification. I got some kind of vibration on my watch and I got a picture and I was immediately able to see what it is. And you can, if you see there's something important, you can jump out and see what happens, what's going on. So it's a really good thing. I haven't been aware of that. That's good stuff. So one other reason to buy the Blink XT outdoor wireless camera. If you like it, you can buy it. I'll put down the link into the description. You can buy it right from here with the link to Amazon. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.